Connect one end of the power cord first. Connect one end of the wire feeding signal cable. Connect one end of the D-lock wire. Open air valve. Connect the trachea. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Turn on the air switch. Right knob. Turn on the welding machine. The other end of the wire feeding signal cable is connected to the wire feeder. Install welding wire. Take the installation of 1.2 millimeters welding wire as an example. Remove the wire feeder. Adjust the wire feed wheel to the matching specification 1.2. Adjust direction. Install the wire feeder. Install the wire feeding tube. Install the short end. Connect the welding wire. After connecting the wire feeding wheel to the wire feeding tube, tighten the screws. Locking wire. Use the other end of the wire feeding tube. Install the wire feed assembly. Loosen the small screws. Remove the guide wire nozzle. Install the wire feed assembly. Welding gun connection wire feeding assembly. Adjust the parameters of the wire feeder. Long press manual wire feeding. Start sending silk. Replace the 1.2 millimeters guide wire nozzle. It is matched with the use of welding wire. Install the guide wire nozzle. Hard neck wire feeding assembly. After adjusting the length of the guide wire tube, tighten the small screws. Adjust welding gun. Adjust welding parameters. Turn on the laser. COM enabled. Wire feed enabled. Clamp on the ground lock wire. Open the welding gun. Upper wire feeder switch. Make sure that the welding wire starts welding after the red light center.